Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Chef Brion Kenya. So today, guys, is Munching Saturday, and today we're going to be making burgers. Very simple burgers. As you can see, guys, there I'm showing you all the things I'm going to be using. Those are the onions, the bacon, the patty, the burgers, the sausages, guys. This is a fancy breakfast you can make at home. And guys, that is I've already fried the bacon. Now it's the sausages. I'm going to be showing you the sausages when they get well fried. And those are the chicken burgers. And guys, let's see. All the sausages are okay. Remove them from the pan. Guys, you're just going to be shallow frying the sausages. Remember, just shallow fry, not deep frying. And guys, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel of football also, and Chef Brion Kenya. Even make sure you're following, guys. Do not go out without following this video and this TikTok account. Now we are going to be, I've already seasoned my meat with black pepper, salt. I'm going to be frying them. I'm going to see how they are going to be. And guys, I'm going to be showing you. Make sure, guys, subscribe Chef Brion Kenya. And now look at that, how golden brown they are. It's like they are burnt, but they are not burnt, guys. Have you seen it? They are burnt, but they are not that burnt. They are well cooked. I'm going to be showing you when I eat them lastly. And now I'm going to be frying my onions. Those are my onions I'm frying there. And make sure they are golden brown. Now this is called the burger breads. Yeah, guys, you're going to be charring them. Just char them to be just golden brown. You can put some mayo or margarine, so you may char them. But me, I did not use some mayo or margarine. I just charred them like that. And now look at how it has become. So it has become very charred. And this is what you want. You want it crispy. And now we're going to be filling. I start with some bacon. And then onions. Little of onions. Look at that. Look at how beautiful it is. Now I take in those onions are deep fried, and now the meat, the chicken meat, goes in. And look at these, guys. What I did not use cheese, guys. And then I put some avocados. Wow, some avocado in a burger, guys. Have you ever tried it? Very sweet. And now some tomatoes. And then, guys, you funica it, you close it with the other bread. And look at that, look at how it came out. Look at those two burgers. Wow, munching. Make sure you're watching till the end. Look at that, guys. Just some coffee with the burgers, sausages, a fully well in breakfast. This is an easy Saturday breakfast. Make sure you're making it. Let me enjoy some burger and some kahawa, you know. Sweet, very sweet. Wow. These are called bacon chicken burgers. Very sweet. Mambo vulai. Look at that. Who is enjoying? Guys, I know you there at home. Enjoying. And let's take a pouring saliva down your throat. Wow. Well, make sure you're making these burgers. Very sweet burgers. Easy as you like. Guys, here there is nothing worth about. Nothing worth a lot. Make sure subscribing. Follow, guys.